Click on New Flutter Project. Click Next. Project name must be in small case and no spaces. I prefer using offline project option. Click on Create. Wait for some time. Open Android emulator. Choose device and run the project. It will take quite a time for the first run. Ignore the warnings. This is the default counter application provided by Flutter. In next video we will learn what is container and how to implement it using Flutter. Subscribe to learn Flutter.